You are scumbags! Ejected.
Wanna play? Wanna play? Little cup. Oh man!
Oh, a new playmate! It's been so long. Mommy's a little naughty. I won't let you escape. Not now, little one. Whoops, was that me? Ooh, I won't let you escape, not without your precious little doll.
Congratulations, you are all nobles. Now all you need to do is... You got the math equations wrong. Now I have to punish you for that. Come here, little cup, so I can slaughter you. Hold up, let me do a little test real quick. Now time to die. You're really slow, really fast for a little cup. Come back here, I can drink for you. You will get detention from this.
You're gonna have to be my boyfriend because of my All right.